Chapter 5, Periodic Classification of an Element. Periodic classification of element. Here the three scientists has work on the classification of element. I will give you the name of them. So the first name is called Dobryner triads. The first name of the scientist is the Dobryner triad. This is the name of the scientist who attempt to classify the element. Okay, who attempt to classify the element, or we can say the who given the classification of element. So second one is called a Newland law of octaves. Newland law of octaves. Newland law of octaves. So this is the second scientist name who has given the attempt to the classify the element. The next one we have the Mendeleev. The third one we have Mendeleev periodic table. That is Mendeleev. Name of the scientist is Mendeleev. Mendeleev periodic table. Mendeleev scientist. Okay, and the fourth one, what is the fourth one? You know that everybody, the last one who's given the last table, who classify the all the element in particular order, and his name is what? Henry Moseley. And that table is called what? Do you know?
Modern periodic table.
Modern periodic table. Dobryner triads. Okay, in 1817 he started to classify an element, and in this year there was only 47 elements known to us. Only the 47 elements was known to us. Only the 47 element was known to us. He started classify the element in 1817, and in 1817 we are known to us, that is 47 element only were known to us. Okay, only the 47 element. So he started to classify the element. What he done, you know, like a student we are giving the roll number, no. Likewise Dobryner triad started from the atomic mass. What is started? Atomic mass. What he done, he just finding the atomic mass of all the 47 elements. All the 47 element. He started to finding the atomic mass of the 47 element. So he was come to know that, okay, so after finding the atomic mass of this 47 element, okay, and he arranged the element in increasing order of atomic mass. What he arranged? Increasing order of atomic mass. So you know, in the register, attendance register, you know how the roll number will be written. The roll number will be written starting from roll number 1, 2, 3. So what is this called?
Alphabetical. Increasing order.
Increasing order. Yeah. Roll number will be given. Roll number is given. So increasing order, increasing roll number, they will write their name in the attendance register. So likewise the Dobryner triad started classification element by the atomic mass. So he arranged the element increasing order of atomic mass. He arranged the element in increasing order of atomic mass. But there is one condition he kept. What was the condition? When he was arranging the element in the increasing order of atomic mass, then he said that the atomic mass of the middle element, will be the average atomic mass of the other two elements. I will give you example. Now example, lithium we have, sodium we have, and the potassium we have. See the name triad, Dobryner triad. What is meant Dobryner triad? Triad means what? Three. Dobryner triad means what? 3. So what he decided? He decided to arrange the element in increasing order of atomic mass in the 3 form. In one column there will be only 3 elements. Okay. So example of lithium. The lithium atomic number is what? 6.9. Example. What is 7? lithium atomic number is 7. Sodium atomic, sorry, not atomic number, it is called what? Atomic
Atomic mass.
mass.
Atomic mass.
Sodium atomic mass is
23.
23. Potassium atomic mass is 39.
39.
So what he done that he arranged the element in increasing order of atomic. If you see this, see 7, 23, 39. Whether it is increasing order,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
increasing order. He arranged the element in increasing order of atomic mass. And what he said that the atomic mass of the middle element, atomic mass of the middle element, atomic mass of the middle element will be the average, atomic mass of other two elements.
There are two.
Other two element, average atomic mass of other two element. So what is the meaning of that? Average we are finding, average. So what is the meaning of that? Is that atomic mass of sodium, if you want to find atomic mass of sodium, if you want to find, then you have to take the average of the first and the last atomic mass of an element. So first we have lithium. Atomic mass of lithium is 7 plus atomic mass of potassium is 39. So 7
39.
plus 39 divided by 2, and this is called what? Average. So let us now divide. I mean 39 plus 7, what will come? Let us see now. 9 plus 7, 16, 1 carry 46. 46 by 2. What is the 46 by 2?
23.
23.
So whether it is the atomic mass of sodium?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So he was correct. See, so that is the statement of the Daubreiner triad. I am going to give you now this example later. First we will write the statement of the Daubreiner triad. So already Daubreiner triad statement I given. What is the statement? That he said that arrange the element in increasing order of the atomic mass. Increasing order of atomic mass. Okay. So let us write that. Okay. It state that the elements are arranged in the order of increasing atomic mass. Increasing atomic mass. Increasing atomic mass. Such that atomic mass of middle element, was roughly the average of atomic mass of other two elements. State that the elements are arranged in the order of increasing atomic mass, such that the atomic mass of the middle element was roughly the average of the atomic mass of the other two elements. So example, just now example we have given one. Okay, that and all this in the form of triad. Okay, he arranged the element in the form of triad. It means in one column there are how many elements are there?
3, sir.
3.
Only 3. Okay, only 3. Example, now here lithium, sodium, and what is that? Potassium. So lithium is 7, sodium is 23, potassium is 39. So if you want to find the atomic mass of the middle element, which is atomic mass of middle element? That is the sodium. So what we have to do? We have to find the average atomic mass. Average atomic mass means we have to find the atomic mass of lithium, that is 7 plus 39. This 7 plus 39 we have to do, and divided by 2 you have to do. 7 plus 39, there is a 46 by 2. So we will get the atomic mass of sodium. So this is the first example. Okay, so he arranged the only 3 elements. In one column he arranged only 3 elements. That is in the form of triads. Okay. Second example, in that you can go for calcium. calcium, okay, strontium, here I will write full name here, calcium, okay, strontium and barium, okay, strontium and barium. Calcium is symbol is Ca, strontium is Sr, barium everybody know that. So calcium atomic mass is 40, this is 88, 137. So now if you want to find the atomic mass of the middle element, what we have to do? Atomic mass of the middle element,
40 plus 137 by
so you should write here atomic mass
mass.
of
Strontium.
strontium is equal to 40 plus 137 divided by 2. So 40 plus 137, you will come 7 here, and
177.
177. So can you divide this one?
88.
88.
88 point something will come, I think, right?
88.5.
88.5.
88.5.
Yeah, but here 88.5 or something will come. It means what roughly he said. See, in the bracket, if you see that, what he said, roughly. He did not say exactly, correct? Roughly means it may be less than 88, means slightly will be difference will be there. That is why he said roughly, means approximately he said. Okay, approximately the average of the atomic mass of the other two elements. So we can say yes, strontium is 88. That is atomic mass of the strontium is 88. Was one more example in this, like chlorine. Chlorine example, chlorine and bromine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Chlorine Cl, bromine is Br, iodine is I. So iodine here, there is a 35.5 chlorine, everybody know that, and iodine is 127. So if you want to find the atomic mass of bromine, how will you find atomic mass of bromine? So what you should do? Addition, 35.5 plus 127 divided by 2, 162.5 by 2. Now here what will come?
81.2, sir.
81.2. Okay, but here bromine atomic mass is actually actual atomic mass of bromine is what, 80. So here we got approximately 81.2. So 81.2 we can write approximately 80. That is why he said that roughly. He did not say exactly. Okay, he did not say exactly. So here we have got how many triads we got? How many triads?
3.
Lithium, sodium, potassium, calcium, strontium, beryllium, chlorine, bromine and iodine. So these three we have learned, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
But in when he started to classify element, how many elements were known to us?
47. 47.
47 element were known to us, but he could not able to classify all the 47 element in the form of triad. All the 47 element he could not able to arrange in the form of triad. So what happened now here? Only 3 triad we got. So here I will write a limitation of Dobreiner. So he could not able to classify all the 47 element in the form of triad. So here I will write all known element could not be classified into groups of triads, on the basis of their properties, One element atomic mass is given. Okay, a element atomic mass is given, let us consider 14. Okay, b is the middle element, his atomic mass is 31. Okay, 31, 0 don't 1, 31. And the C element, they are asking to find out the atomic mass. Okay, this is the actually in the form of what? Triad. This is the Dobreiner triad. Okay, so you have to find out the atomic mass of C. So find it now. What is the atomic mass of C? This is actually the Dobryner triad. Okay, this is the Dobryner triad. Dobryner triad. Dobryner triad. These elements are arranged in the form of triad. Okay, increasing order of atomic mass. So as we know, the according Dobryner triad, if you want to find the atomic mass of the middle element, so atomic mass of the middle element, atomic mass of the middle element. So which is the middle element here?
B.
B. Atomic mass of the B is equal to atomic mass of A plus C divided by 2. A plus C divided by 2. So atomic mass of B is given here 31 and A is 14. C we don't know, divided by 2. So this 2 multiply here, 31 2 ja, 2 1 ja 2, 3 2 ja 6, 62, 14 plus C. So now tell me what? How much will get here? C is equal to 62 minus 14.
48.
48, sir.
What is answer?
48.
48.
48. C is the 48. Those who given the 48 answer, their answer is correct.